Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kucoin account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Kucoin login. Once you hit search, you'll find Kucoin login sign in on the top of your search list. Just click here. As you can see, you are already redirected to the official page of Kucoin. You just simply have to look on the top right corner of your screen and you'll find login. Just click here. Now, from here, you can log in with your email or your sub account or your phone number. You just simply have to enter your credentials. In case you forget your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.